Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how to edit code after it's been pushed into GitHub and you 2-3 commits above that code that you want to edit. So the first thing you have to do is you're going to make a copy of your folder. As you can see, this is my original where I did my coding and I pushed it to GitHub. This is my copy of this folder. I'm going to open this folder and I'm going to git bash inside it. Now I want to go into the section that I want to edit code, so git right. I'm on section 3 and now I want to see what's actually in section 3, so I'm going to say git log one line and we can see that there's exercise 3.1, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. Now I don't want this one. I want to delete this commit and I want to edit the code in exercise 3.1. So how do we do it? So first things that we have to do is we have to reset this branch to the initial commit. So I'm going to do it as git reset hard and the timestamp associated with the initial commit, so it's 2A969DD. So now if we do git log one line, we'll see that there's only initial commits in section 3. It's deleted all of these. Right, now we're going to minimize this, go back into our original folder where our original code was, and we're going to git bash in there. We're going to go into section 3 and we're going to do git log one line, and you're going to see, okay, fine, there's exercise 3.1, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. Now I want to edit the code in 3.1 and I don't want this one here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to exercise 3.1. So I'm going to go git checkout and I'm going to check out this timestamp over here. So 25.3.0.64e. So now I've switched on to exactly this timestamps code. So exercise 3.1's code. So let's open it. So we're going to go to the complex and we're going to open that. And we can see that there's only exercise 3.1 there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this code. So say copy this code. Now I'm going to go back to my copy, open it. I'm going to open this folder, open the file that I want to change. You see here there's no exercise 3.1. I'm going to select all. I'm going to paste with the exercise 3.1. I'm going to make my changes that I want over here, whatever I want. I'm going to save it. Then I'm going to open git bash for my tutorial branch. So I'm going to open my git bash for my copy. So this is the git bash for the copy. And I'm going to say git status. and I can see that something has been changed in the complex of my copy folder. So I'm going to say git commit now. So I'm going to commit it. And if we do git log one line, we can see, okay, fine, we've changed the exercise 3.1. Now we want to, this is my git for the copy. This is my git for the original folder. Now what I want to do is I want to now go to, I want to skip this one because I've made my changes whatever I want in this one, and I've pasted it in code blocks for my copy folder. And now I want to take this exercise here and I want to copy it into my copy file code blocks. So I'm going to go to this one's timestamp. So copy and git checkout, paste. So now we're on exercise 3.2. We go into code blocks, and if we go into code blocks, we can see here, okay, fine, there's a exercise 3.2 and there's two 3.1. So I'm gonna do the changes that I need. I'm gonna copy this and I'm going to paste it in my copy folder for the changes that I want, and I'm going to paste my changes that I want. So you can see there's 3.1, 3.2. Now I'm going to open my copy folder git bash, and I'm going to now commit this as exercise 3.2. Right now I want to do the same thing for exercise 3.3. So open the git bash for the original folder, and I'll go to exercise 3.3, which is this one here. Copy it, paste it. Okay, now we can go into this one here, close this, and we're going to go into there, into our folder, and open that code block. And we can see that we have exercise 3.3 over here. So I'm going to copy whatever I need for exercise 3.3, and I'm going to go into the code blocks for my copy, and I'm going to paste it as exercise 3.3. I'm going to go to my git bash of my copy, and I'm going to now commit it as exercise 3.3. And if I do a git log one line, you'll see it's 3.1 and 3.2. So I git committed exercise 3.3, and now have exercise 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, and yeah, that's how you do it, where you can change this one here by going through that whole thing of copying it, then changing it, and then bringing in the code slowly from the original into the copy folder.